Hello and welcome to another edition of Will's Grill Shack. Today we're going to be firing up the Kamado Joe Big Joe, and I'm going to be showing you how to make Tandoori Tikka chicken. So here's all the ingredients that we're going to need for this Tikka mix, and I'll post each individual part that you need in the description on the video. Okay, start by putting the chicken that's cubed up, as you can see, into a bowl. Cut your lemons and sprinkle the juice over the top, like that. And obviously do it with the 2 lemons. Okay, add in your garlic and ginger paste. And I like the authentic colour of the Tikka mix, so I've gone with an orange for this one. Sprinkle that on the top, just like that. Add in a little bit of salt. And mix all this together, and you should notice it starts to turn a nice orange colour, just like that. Okay, let's set that aside and then we'll make the paste for it. Right, we've got our Greek yogurt here, so what we're going to do is mix that up, like so. And then we're going to start putting our spices into it. So you literally put all the powder spices into the bowl, like this. Bit of salt as well. And now this is the chilies that I have. There's 3 green chilies here, but you don't have to use 3 if you don't like it as spicy as what I do. Get a bit of coriander as well. I quite like it quite coriandery, so there is quite a lot in there. Again, you can sample it down. And then I always find a little bit of Parmesan cheese really helps bind it all together, and it gives a nice bit of flavour. So we do that. Do you want to come out of it? Okay, so let me just mix all this together. Now that's all mixed up, as you can see. Nice little paste. So now what we do, get back your chicken that's over here and sat in that mix that you made earlier, and then you just start spooning this into here, like so. And we give this a good mix up. And this is your Tikka mix coming together nicely now. And as you can see, the lemon juice has made it not such a thick paste now. Okay, then we refrigerate this for 24 to 48 hours. I always find 48 hours gives you the nicest flavour, so I would recommend that rather than 24. And yeah, let's get it out in 48 hours and see where we're at. Okay, so it's a little bit windy here on the south coast today, so hopefully the sound quality is going to be okay. But we've got half a firebox full here for the Tandoori Tikka that we're going to be grilling, so let's light this up. Okay, just going to open the bottom vent fully on this, and we're going to leave that for about 10 minutes with the lid open and just allow it to come up to temperature, and then we'll shut the lid and get to 200 degrees. Okay, so here's the Tikka mix that we've now been marinating for 48 hours. As you can see, lovely thick paste that's applied to it, and yeah, it's smelling really nice. So let's start putting them on the skewers. Okay, I always wear gloves for doing this because it just It means that you don't get your hands covered in tikka and stained in that tikka mix. So all we're doing is putting them straight onto the skewers like this. Okay, and then just repeat that for all the skewers. And there you have it, all on the skewers and ready to go on the barbecue. Okay, we have a nice fire going now, so let's chuck on these skewers. Really hear that wind. So we're going to turn them probably every 5 or so minutes, and yeah, we'll come back in 5. Okay, just going to give them a quick turn. And put the lid down again. As you can see, really starting to look nice now. And there is my tandoori tikka. Lovely colour. I'm really happy with that, how that's turned out.